Hello, it's Anne here, and this video has been created as a result of a question. Now, the question was to do with importing photographs onto the timeline, and normally the default time that a photograph is shown on Wondershare is 5 seconds. 5 seconds is actually quite a long time in a video, so you might want to change the default, and this is how you do it. So you go up into the button Wondershare Filmora, and you go to Preferences, and there is a menu here where you can change the settings. So General is a setting where you can change the whole canvas of your video editing software from light to dark. So most video editors are actually dark, but I quite like Wondershare because it offers you the option to have a lighter mode, which I sort of sometimes find easier on the eyes. It's also got other preferences, but I'm not going to go into those. But ones that I do want to show you is under editing and photo duration. I've already changed this to 2 seconds for myself, but you might also want to change the amount of time for the freeze frame at 5 seconds. I think that is too long, and also the transitions, that you might want to change those as well. So the other thing that you can do here is to do other things like crop and fit and pan and zoom on these settings. I wouldn't do them here because I actually would want to do those for each individual picture, but really it's a matter of what your preference is. So I hope that has been useful, and of course if you've got any other questions, please let me know.